The sun continuously bombards the Earth with a stream of charged particles. We're protected from these by a magnetic bubble around the planet, generated by the Earth's magnetic field. Scientists working on the European Space Agency's SWARM mission will combine measurements of the Earth's magnetic field to produce the most accurate map ever made of its strength.
The Earth's magnetic field is essential for, let's say, us being here around on the Earth. It's invisible, but it's protecting us against charged particles that come from the sun and from outer space.
But the Earth's magnetic field is in a constant state of flux, and it appears to be weakening, perhaps even going into reverse.
The main field of the magnetic field is originating in the Earth core, deep inside the Earth, 3,000 kilometers depth. And it's like a big dynamo. And this dynamo, if we were to switch it off today, the weakening is so fast that it looks like it's going to a reversal. But this is a very open question, and this is one of the things we are going to look at with this mission.
SWARM is made up of a constellation of 3 identical satellites, each resembling a giant mechanical insect. The satellites will fly in a triangular formation in 3 different orbits. The aim is to tease out the various components of the Earth's magnetic field, from the core to the crust. Even the oceans generate a small magnetic field. Other instruments on board will measure the drag and density of the atmosphere.
We are very accurate. We have copies of satellites, so they're all equally accurate. But the aim is to disentangle these measurements into the different sources of the magnetic field.
Built by Astrium with components coming from across Europe, the satellite's long booms carry precise magnetometers. During manufacturing, meticulous care has been taken to eliminate any magnetic contamination. This is even extended to the launch site at Plesetsk in Russia, where special preparations have had to be made.
We did a magnetic survey of the plane, which will transport the satellites. We did a magnetic survey of the truck, which will transport the satellite from the airport to the launch assembly room. And we did a magnetic survey of all the roads and the magnetic facilities in Plesetsk, in Russia, to check that the field there is compatible with our mission and will not magnetize our satellite, while it has been tested several months before in Munich in very severe conditions.
SWARM is the 4th of ESA's Earth Explorer missions, joining Cryosat investigating the Earth's ice cover, GOCHE studying gravity, and SMOS measuring soil moisture and ocean salinity. SWARM will enable scientists to study the complexities of our planet's magnetic field and explore the interactions between the Sun and the Earth.
We live on a dynamic Earth, so we need to know what is happening inside our Earth to be able to predict what will happen with our Earth in the future.
SWARM is due to be launched this summer. Its results are important for all of us, transforming our understanding of one of the fundamental forces of nature.